Well, I think it's one and only Jimmy Broadbent behind me.
Goddamn yellow plate.
If you like the Nürburgring, and assuming you do because you clicked on this video, go to nürburgring.com where you can find all kinds of Nürburgring licensed products co-designed by me, ranging from socks to official Nürburgring 360 roadbook co-written by me, and even Christmas sweaters, including kids collection, and many, many more Nürburgring licensed products to come. So go to nürburgring.com, which stands for Nürburgring Embassy, and become our brand ambassador. We have 718 Cayman, 2 liter, and it's an AMG, I guess. So, what's done to it? You said it's a bit modified?
Yeah, so we got it tuned by a company called DMS back in the UK, so now it runs 406 brake horsepower.
Nice. What's stock?
It's literally just 300. Yeah,
300. Yeah.
Stock.
Yeah, nice. Any other supportive mods?
The only thing I've done is a resonator delete just to make it sound a bit more throaty.
Nice.
Normally.
And the rest, everything just stock.
Everything else is stock.
And to be fair, with the modern Porsches, everything stock is actually great. I mean, suspension might end up a bit on a soft side on track, but other than that, the brakes are always good. Everything else just works. So I'm looking forward to hop in and see how it drives. So I guess let's hop in and do a lap. Yay! Well, wait. The car is reparked is because we already done a lap. So you know everything about this. Done a lap, and all of a sudden I ran into this. And Jimmy was here because he's here for Gamescom. I said, stop by, drive a real track, not just sim stuff. And here he is. And when I saw like this track speed being on a full send behind me, I'm like, it's probably Jimmer. And then I tried to get next to him under the yellow zone and...
Get away from me, mate.
Yeah,
get away from me. You can't afford to be near me.
Yeah.
This aero was... I went in thinking like, let's see what it's like. I was like, oh, actually, it's pretty giga. So, definitely.
It works?
Didn't get overtaken by anyone, so that's always the good thing, you know?
Yeah.
So, really fast.
So you liked it?
Yeah, I loved it.
And the front? How you like the front? For me, I think the front is better than our GT4 race car.
It turns in super well. The problem is, because of course you've got tooth wing on the back.
Yes.
You then go, oh, and there's a little bit less there. But
so
you wish you could match it, but it's
you can. On the track day, you put extensions on, and then you have like a massive GT3 wing. And diffuser may be coming soon, beginning of next year. Who knows? Because we've gotten a lot of requests for those. But for comparison, I mean, this is just 400 horsepower. Everything else is stock on Sport Conti 7s. This is nothing is stock. Actually, vice versa. The power is fully stock, which is still like 450 to 500, depends how you count. What size? 295. I think Erlin's suspension, road and track, a couple of bits here and there. I think Milway bushings and stuff.
Evo R, he said to me.
Was it?
Yeah.
I think they changed it.
Felt familiar.
Okay. So same as our race car actually. Yeah. And then we have the Vulcan Alpha short version wing because we have extensions for track day to run extra wide when you do not really care about road legalness in public sessions. And then also the seats, the harnesses, and all the shebang, and the Wasp as well. I don't know if that's a mod. It makes you drive faster because like, go away. Exactly. Yeah. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed.
Well, they gave me a choice. Like, you can drive this GT3 RS, or you can drive Misha's Aero. I was like, oh, fine, I'll try the Porsche. No, but I had to try this, and really impressed by it, man. Really good.
Yeah. So putting big Aero now on your car next.
Which car?
Yeah, I don't know. You have too many. Which one of them runs?
Let us know in the comments which one of my car runs.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I mean, we could put it on Birstein race car, but. Or should we build something for next year for NLS and then 24?
Ferrari 360, let's do it.
Ooh, yeah, we have some designs ready for it. So, anyway, enjoy the lap with 2 different machineries.
Yeah.
Yes. One quick thing that I would like to add that I'm very excited about is that we've also released now the production spec version aside from the bespoke ones. Not only did this car receive an upgrade wing, a bigger single element with also our, so to say, 992 GT3 side plates, but we also have the production spec version that you can see now on this F82. So if you do not want the swan neck but more traditional one, we have it here as well. And more importantly, when you look underneath, the reason why this is impossible to move is that it comes with additional optional trunk bracing, or to be said, actually chassis mount distributional bars that will take the force from the trunk and go directly towards the chassis, and you can still utilize your whole boot space. Alright, so welcome to Nürburgring. We are a Sport Plus, and that's all I'm ever doing to Porsche. No need to put it in traction control or whatever, because it's really good by itself. So let's see those 400 horsepower. Purse, 3, 2, 1, choppy chop. After the compression. Not too bad, not too bad. I survived Diergarten, that's good, because one of my worst accidents I ever had, I was an instructor on a track day, and we were doing the main straight, and then the driver decides to lift off right after the bridge. So the car lost control, spun a few times, hit the barrier multiple times. It was not really a pleasant experience. So yeah, it's one of the reasons when I stopped doing instructions. Oh, I think it's one and only Jimmy Broadbent behind me.
Goddamn yellow plate.
I think so, because he's in town, he went to track speed. That's someone very fast in the Vulcan Alpha Spec track speed car. Gonna out of the way for him. That's some very big scent with the M2. Wow. Come back! Well, we of course have a bit more power, but we have zero aero, we don't have the brakes, we don't have the suspension, while that is ahead of us is a fully built car. A committed driver. Are we in speed limiter? It feels like the car is not going anywhere anymore. Yeah, he's having also big fat semi-slick tires. I think 295 on the rear. Come on. Oh no, yellow. I really want to see if it's shimmer. Yeah, I think it is. Really enjoying this car. I totally forgot that I'm like driving still something very fast. He's gonna move away from us. There's no way we're gonna catch up with him. not in our favor. Out of sight, but not out of heart. Traction control didn't like the carousel. Tell them that it's us. Maniac. But it shows how much capable the M2 is.
No, it is softer than like a... Misha, I didn't even know.
No, I'm not going for one more. Makes no sense. Oh man, he was dancing, he was on it. Woo! Loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, fully stock car with the exception of more power, fully modified car, very, very good driver, committed driver. It was fun. It was really, really fun. Maybe next year when Civic is built, then we can, and he can bring Minty out and we can have some fun. We can wish, we can hope. Why is there a traffic jam here? Because everyone wants to go to the left. I loved it. I was not that talkative because I was focused really on driving, either trying to keep up with Jimmer, or then we had also the GT4, which was also a lot of fun. and traffic navigations. It was good. Loved it.